Alright guys, so I have never done this before. I'm super excited and I just wanted to let you guys into another part of my life. I've been really struggling with anxiety lately, like really bad. As you guys know, I did make a post about it on my community page. What has been really helping me during this mentally tough time is bullet journaling, and I just started it, or just planning in general and journaling in general has really helped me. So we're gonna take a stab at it and try. We're gonna pick some colors out. I have roughly selected some colors for fall because I want my September portion of my planner to be fall inspired since it's September. It's like my favorite part of the year. We have some scrap paper here and we're just going to swatch these markers really fast and kind of decide which ones I want to use. Really quick, I have been doing hand lettering for a while now, but I'm still not the best, so please be gentle with your critiques. I'm still learning. I used to be really into it a long time ago, a few years ago, but I kind of fell out of it, and it's one of the things that's helping me with my anxiety right now, so I'm getting back into it. I think I'm gonna go with more of the tombow color palette because I like how muted it is compared to the brightness of the Crayola Super Tips, but let's jump into this. All right guys, so here is my new bullet journal. Don't mind the silver dust on it. I need to clean it off. I did gild my own pages because I spilled some coffee on it. You can still kind of see it, but you know what? I'm gonna deal with it. I got this from Michael's. It's super cheap. It does bleed with some of my pens. Actually, most of my pens, except for a few. I'm gonna invest in a better journal soon. I'm just now getting into this. I just wanted to make sure I liked it before I invested it in a more expensive journal. Anyway, these are super affordable. $6.99 at Michael's. And let's jump into this. I have roughly sketched out the plan of the bullet journal. I'm just going to start on the actual September page. But I did do some watercoloring and I'm going to cover most of it up with that. Alright guys, I am finally done with this month's spread. So let's flip through this. So this is the cover page. It is one of my favorite quotes. And then this watercolor that I did, I taped this onto this page. This is the monthly spread. We have goals and a quote here. This is the weekly spread, week 1 and week 2, week 3 and week 4, week 5, and then I do 1 day of the next month, which is October. This is my fall bucket list. This is my mood tracker. So every day I will just decorate one of these vines with like berries or leaves or flowers in one of these colors. This is my habits tracker. This is the things I'm loving. So every now and then I will kind of draw in a font with hand lettering of things that I am loving right now. This is the quote of the month. I have not decided on it yet. Here is my social media spread to keep track of when I upload. This is my video ideas page, and then these are my videos that I need to edit. And then here is my doodle spread. And that is it for this plan with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to become part of the Glamfam. I know this is new to me, so please let me know if you would like more of these. Once again, this has really been helping me with my anxiety lately. So if you guys are having problems, maybe try it out. Oh, also, the things that I used in this plan with me will be listed in the description below. And yeah, that is it for this video. I will talk to you guys in my next one. I love y'all. Bye!